conflict management in negotiation, ठीक है? Everybody knows about the conflict. So conflict is basically clash of ideas, ठीक है? So clashes of ideas, ठीक है? So conflict, type of conflict, views on conflict, conflict resolution and conflict management, ठीक है? So we have different views on conflict. The modern views आपका, which is basically which generally sees conflict as a positive tool if it is well managed and balanced, okay? So that is the one. Conflict is basically clash between two individual. Let's say it is leader versus subordinate or subordinate versus subordinate on some areas like processes or technology or any other things, ठीक है? तो conflict हम लोग जानते हैं, ठीक है? तनाव दो लोगों के बीच में आपका किसी भी प्रोसेस को लेके हो सकता है या ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल सेटिंग में किसी भी एरिया के अंदर आपको ये देखने के लिए मिल सकता है, ठीक है? सो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट is like earlier we have traditional view on conflict, that is something कि conflict is always negative for the organization and it should be avoided, ठीक है? So but that was a traditional one. The modern view says conflict is positive for the organization if it is natural part of the human interactions, ठीक है? And it is positive when it is balanced and well managed, ठीक है? Let's say दो लोगों के बीच में they have some sort of fight regarding some process. So if we discuss that particular one, what they want to say, if we listen both the parties, maybe we come up with some sort of new process, we can innovate a new process so organization can have some sort of benefit from that particular one. So it is nowadays like we generally take conflict as a पॉजिटिव टूल, ठीक है? तो अब थोड़ा सा स्टेटमेंट्स के बेस पे कुछ क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं, ठीक है? सॉरी. So first question, guys. Analyze the following about the conflict and select which one is correct. Yeah. Conflict is always negative phenomena which disrupt relationship and productivity and should be completely avoided both in personal and professional setting. Okay? Now this is incorrect. Earlier we have this kind of mindset, but in modern management we do not have positive. It is positive. It is a natural part of the human interaction. Okay? Conflict arises due to differences in values, opinion, need, interest, and sometimes a perception among the individual group. 100% true. Conflict solely a physical struggle? No, it is physical. आपका psychological, physical, mental, everything is here. ठीक है? So it is psychological also. An open-minded and positive approach can facilitate the healthy management of the workplace conflict and help maintain harmony. बिल्कुल सही, ठीक है? Flight or flight is the most common response to conflict, and both these responses usually lead to satisfactory resolution of the conflict at workplace. आपका, ठीक है? No, this is something आपका ये मतलब flight or flight is something no one is listening each others. We generally like there is a theorist called आपका Kenneth or Thomas and Kenneth आपका, ठीक है? They come up with collaborative approach, not this flight and flight आपका, ठीक है? It should not be part of this one. 2 and 4 only, ठीक है? 2 and 4 means option A should be right answer, and this flight or flight is a common but usually lead to dissatisfaction and no resolution and all, ठीक है? So we are not solving that particular one in a proper manner, right? That is the one. Next one. Which of the following statement about conflict are correct according to the principle and characteristics described by the Hawkers and Wilmot in 1991? अब देखो, अगर आपने हॉकर एंड विल्मॉट को नहीं भी पढ़ा होगा ना, इस क्वेश्चन के साथ आप इसको थोड़ा सा you can build your understanding around Hawkers and Wilmot theory आपका, ठीक है? तो what he suggested, general ideas around the conflict management, ठीक है? Conflict can be avoided entirely through effective communication and mutually understanding. What we have to find out, ठीक है? Related discussions आपका, we have to find out the correct statement आपका, ठीक है? So first statement आपका, so it like with this particular one ना, conflict can be avoided entirely. We cannot entirely eliminate आपका without negotiation, ठीक है? So communication and mutual understanding, but इससे ना पूरा अच्छी तरीके से वो साफ नहीं होगा. We have to have negotiate that particular one. Conflict always arise only when there are scarce resources involved. नहीं, ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है. It is not only about the scarce resources. It can be about the thought, belief system, values and all. ठीक है? This is wrong. Conflict responses are often influenced by individual perceptions, shaped by their cultural and life experiences, which is linked with their personality, and this is true. Okay. Conflict is always negative phenomena? No. They also believe it can be positive if it is well managed or it is well balanced. Okay. So statement 4 is wrong. Conflict is a normal and inevitable part of human interactions, especially in a diverse work environment. Okay, so when two people with different thought process, they'll interact, there will be some conflict. Okay, 100% true. Conflict resolution always result in stronger relationship, trust between parties involved. Yes. So 356. Okay, 356 means what we have to find out correct statement here. So 356, and we do not have 356 in this one. 3 and 5. Anyone who want to answer this particular question, guys? 356 seems correct. आपका 6 conflict resolution always result in stronger. अच्छा ओके हाँ, so maybe this is the wrong one. ठीक है, आपका ऐसा हो सकता है conflict resolution always result in stronger relationship, trust between parties. हाँ, मे बी दिस इज आपका नॉट आपका कि हम ऑलवेज नहीं बोल सकते, कई बार ऐसा हो सकता है कि मन मिटाव रह जाए आफ्टर दैट नेगोशिएशन ऑल्सो. देन 3 and 5 मीन्स आपका, तो 3 and 5 है, तो देन आपका सी शुड बी राइट आंसर फॉर दिस वन. यस हाँ. स्टेटमेंट 6 इज इनकरेक्ट. वाइल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन कैन लीड टू अ स्ट्रॉन्गर रिलेशनशिप, इट डज नॉट ऑलवेज डू सो. राइट हाँ, बिल्कुल सही. सी आपका जैसे महेश सर ने लिखा है या आपको मुन्ना सर ने लिखा है. यस, वेरी गुड गाइज, ऑसम. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. Next question on your screen. Consider the following statement about the organizational conflict type and intrapersonal conflict. Organizational conflict versus आपका intrapersonal conflict. आपका ठीक है, intrapersonal is like it is जैसे हमारे दोस्तों के बीच में हो जाते हैं all वाला, ठीक है. And organizational which is something related to work setting and all. So task conflict आपका between, let's say me and Mahesh sir is doing some sort of task, and we have different views to do that particular job. Okay, that is task conflict. Okay? Involve dispute over personal. नहीं, this is आपका wrong. ठीक है, so this is first statement itself आपका wrong है. ठीक है, it is task basis, not the personal things and all. Relationship conflict can negatively impact employees' productivity and trust due to personal disagreements. 100% true. जैसे there are two persons working in the same line, or even आपका सुपीरियर एंड लीडर ऑल्सो, अगर उनके बीच में इफ दे डू नॉट हैव ट्रस्ट एंड ऑल, ठीक है, तो दैट इज समथिंग मीन्स दे हैव रिलेशनशिप conflict, and that relationship conflict will impact their overall productivity and all. ठीक है, so there is no doubt with this particular statement. Third one आपका value conflict is best resolved by the imposing organizational policies. Value conflict is something related to persons, आपका personality. So by imposing organizational policies, this is not going to help. Approach avoidance conflict occur when an individual simultaneously desire and fear the same goal. Approach avoidance conflict occur when an individual simultaneously desire and fear द गोल आपका. ठीक है, सो इट सीम्स करेक्ट आपका. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा इश्यू नहीं लग रहा वैसे. ठीक है, I will go through this one again. Role conflict can occur when contradictory expectation exist within a single role and individuals. आपका true. Withdrawal is a defense mechanism used by the frustrated individual to confront आपका barriers aggressively. ठीक है, so statement 6 when it comes to the withdrawals आपका it is something, मतलब the another party is avoiding, not the आपका frustrated individual to confront the aggressively. No, it is आपका withdrawal is something where another party is avoiding the conflict or they are not entering in that zone. ठीक है, inter-role conflict refer to incompatibility between two or more roles an individual hold concurrently. True. So 2 आपका 2 4 5 7 2 4 5 7. ठीक है, 2 4 5 7. ठीक है, 2 4 5 7. Option C. Option C should be right answer. Yes. ठीक है, and there was one statement 4 आपका. So statement 1, because task conflict involve dispute related to work detail. Third आपका value conflict better addressed through the mutual understanding. 5 आपका 4-1 is approach avoidance conflict involve wanting to approach a goal but also wanting to avoid it due to mixed पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स आपका, ठीक है। एंड 5 इज आपका विड्रॉल इज अवॉइडिंग और बैकिंग अवे फ्रॉम द बैरियर्स, ठीक है, नॉट विड्रॉइंग, नॉट एग्रेसिवली आपका कन्फ्रंट्रेशन इन ऑल, दैट इज जनरली पार्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, करेक्ट है। चलो अगला क्वेश्चन गाइस, नेक्स्ट वन। next next one guys, so what will be your correct answer? Causes of workplace conflict are true, ठीक है, workplace conflict, so resistance to change is often due to employee fear of management ability to manage change effectively, ठीक है। so first statement आपका, people they always have some sort of resistance, ठीक है, this is आपका ड्यू टू एम्प्लॉय फेयर मैनेजमेंट एबिलिटी टू मैनेज चेंज इफेक्टिवली, ठीक है। अगर लगता है कि यार ये लोग नहीं कर पाएंगे और सो द एग्जिस्टिंग थिंग्स इज फाइन, ठीक है, इफ दे आर इन दैट मच ऑफ डाउट, so that is can be a issue. Poor communication primarily cause conflict by increasing the workload to employees, ठीक है। Poor communication primarily cause conflict by increasing, no, it can be other reason also, not only this increasing workload and all, personality clashes occur when there is incompatibility in values, एटीट्यूड एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अप्रोचेज आपका, ठीक है, तो 100% ट्रू, इसमें कोई भी डाउट नहीं है, ठीक है। मैनेजर्स हु लिसन ओनली टू वन साइड ऑफ द डिस्प्यूट कंट्रीब्यूट टू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बाय डिस्प्लेइंग बायस आपका, ठीक है, यस। कॉन्फ्लिक्ट rarely arise from employees need to feel respected, it is arise from the feel respected or valued, ठीक है, this is wrong, that means 134 means option A should be right answer for this particular one. Yes, option A will be right answer. Poor communication cause misunderstanding, not workload. And 5 आपका employee need to feel respected or valued is a core cause of conflict आपका, ठीक है, जहाँ पे like two people they are having different set of thought, ठीक है। अब हर किसी को अपना thought क्या करना है, प्रूव करना है, ठीक है, कि this is right, other one is saying this is right, ठीक है। So everyone want to prove that particular one and no one is giving up at that point, so that become a reason for the your conflict itself, right? Next one, consider the following statement about conflict management process and select the option that accurately identify the correct statement. Again, conflict management process, so what we can do to manage the conflict आपका in the organization, minimizing effective conflict and maintaining moderate substantive conflict are both essential goal in the conflict management. बिल्कुल सही, ठीक है। effective conflict is basically ऐसा conflict जिसकी वजह से नुकसान बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है, ठीक है, ऐसे उनको अवॉइड करना। एंड मॉडरेट आपका substantive conflict is fine, कि we can negotiate, we can discuss and we can come to some outcome, and organization they can have some sort of benefit from that one. Meeting separately with conflicting parties at all stages is the most effective. No, आपका अलग अलग बात करोगे तो फिर नहीं होने वाला काम, ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प। Incorporating employees input in developing routine procedures can reduce conflict by fostering mutual understanding. Yes, 1 and 3 means option D should be right answer for this one. It is advised against meeting conflicting parties separately at all stages. आपका इनिशियल सेपरेट मीटिंग आर फाइन बट नॉट लेटर्स, ठीक है। हो सकता है हम पहली बार आपका एक दो बार बात कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे से, ठीक है, वहां पे हम लोग उनसे सेपरेटली डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं, बट नॉट ऑल द टाइम। इवेंचुअली दे हैव टू डू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ फेस ऑफ, आपका एक दूसरे के सामने उनको आना ही आना होगा, ठीक है।